Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Google Drive link name. To begin, open Google Drive in your browser. If needed, sign into your account so you can access your files. Once you're inside Drive, look through your folders and locate the file you want to share. This is the file whose link you'll be working with. After you find the file, click on it to select it. Then go to the top area of the page and click the Share icon. This opens the sharing window where you can manage access and copy the file's shareable link. In the sharing window, click Copy Link. This saves the Google Drive link to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need it. Once the link has been copied, click Done to close the sharing window and return to your Drive. Now, it's important to understand one key detail. In Google Drive, you can't directly rename the actual shared link itself. The link address stays the same, and Google does not provide a built-in option to change how that URL is named. What you can do, however, is display that link with a custom label in another app, such as a document or an email. That way, people will click a cleaner, more readable name instead of seeing the full web address. Next, open your prepared editor. In this example, we're using Google Docs, but you can also do something similar in an email or another text editor that supports hyperlinks. Once your editor is open, paste your copied Google Drive link into the document so you have it ready to use. After that, go to the top menu, click Insert, and then choose Link. This will open the option to create a hyperlink. Paste your Google Drive link into the link field. From there, you can change the visible text to whatever name you want people to see. For example, instead of showing a long Google Drive URL, you can display a simple title such as the name of the file or a short descriptive label. When someone clicks that custom text, they'll still be taken directly to the same Google Drive file. So, while you're not changing the original Google Drive link itself, you are changing how it appears when shared in a document or message. That's all there is to it. This is a simple and useful way to make your shared links look cleaner, more professional, and easier for others to understand.